Welcome to Advantage Home Care's Company Car Policy Training. Driving a company car is a privilege of your position. This training is designed to keep you safe and also make sure you are aware of the terms and conditions you are required to adhere to in order to maintain this privilege. It is important that all of the rules associated with driving a company car are abided by at all times. If you have any questions after completing this training, please see your supervisor for clarification immediately. By taking the keys to a company vehicle, it is implied that you agree to follow our company policy at all times. It is your responsibility to understand and abide by the following. You must be respectful and cautious when operating a company vehicle. As a driver of our vehicles, you are representing our brand at every moment. Whether you're driving the car, stopping at a traffic signal, or getting in or out of the vehicle, it is important that you are conscious of being respectful and cautious at all times. The company car is to be used for company business only. You are not authorized to use any company vehicle for personal use at any time. All company drivers must maintain a valid driver's license. It is your responsibility to know when your license is expiring and to renew it prior to expiration. You are expected to maintain a good driving record. This means your driving history is free of accidents, moving violations, or points. If at any time your driving record changes or issues arise, you must immediately report those issues to senior management. This includes issues that occur when driving vehicles for work or personally. Please note that motor vehicle record checks are conducted on all employees. Failure to report your record accurately or failing to report changes could result in termination of your employment. You are required to follow all traffic regulations at all times. This includes wearing seatbelts, adherence to speed limits, not ever texting or viewing texts while driving, no drinking or eating while driving, no alcohol or drug use, or any other state regulations. It is also important to note that you are personally responsible for all traffic violations or speeding tickets you receive while using your company car. You are strictly prohibited from using electronic devices while driving, including but not limited to laptops, cell phones, computer devices, portable media, headphones, other electronic devices. Reading or transmission of emails or text message communication is strictly prohibited while the vehicle is in motion. You must be pulled over in a safe place with the car turned off before performing these tasks. You will be offered and must complete our annual Distracted Driver Training. This training is designed to bring awareness to the dangers of distracted driving and to keep you safe while driving. Please note that only approved and trained drivers may operate a company vehicle. Many of our company vehicles contain our company name, logo, and phone number for marketing purposes. This increases your visibility as a driver and reflects on our company as a whole. Any report made by the public of unsafe or disrespectful driving will be considered grounds for disciplinary action. Do not take company cars home unless that car has been assigned directly to you with permission to drive it home. Any car that is assigned to a branch and not one specific employee should be returned to the agency branch office every evening. Any exception to this rule must be pre-approved by management. At no time should a company car be used for personal reasons. Only employees are allowed inside company vehicles. Any non-employee passenger must be approved by management. You are responsible for maintenance of your assigned company vehicle. If a company vehicle is assigned to your agency branch office, the branch manager will assign responsibility for the maintenance of the vehicles assigned. As a driver, you should aid in the maintenance and report and/or address any concerns as soon as they occur. Maintenance includes but is not limited to oil changes, tire rotation, tune-ups, tire pressure, washer fluid replacement, etc. The company will cover the expense of all company vehicle maintenance services. Talk with your supervisor about where these services should occur. Accidents. It is important to remember you must report accidents of any type to management immediately. This is required regardless of how large or small the accident is. Accidents involving other vehicles, property, persons should be reported to the police so a formal report can be filed. If one of our team members is involved in an auto accident, they may be required to participate in a drug and alcohol screening per policy. Please note, if you are involved in an accident and it is found that you have violated company policy or that you are at fault for the accident, you will be responsible for reimbursement to the company of the full automobile deductible. Furthermore, upon damage to the vehicle and/or including but not limited to damage to other vehicles, property, or persons, if it is determined that damages were caused by negligence on the part of the team member will be held accountable through our progressive discipline policy. Leadership reserves the right to hold the team member responsible for the insurance deductible. The repayment of the deductible will be based off the directions set forth by the Missouri Department of Labor. Please be sure to keep your vehicle clean at all times. You must remove any trash or debris from the vehicle daily. We hope that this training has provided a clear and concise explanation of your role and responsibilities in operating and maintaining a company vehicle. If at any time you have questions or need clarification regarding the policies or with regard to our company vehicles, please contact your supervisor. As a reminder, by taking the keys and/or operating a company vehicle, you are agreeing to the terms of this training. Thank you for your time and attention. Buckle up and stay safe.